Searching for research can be overwhelming and frustrating. Now join me to discover the secret world of Google and Google Scholar search tips and tricks to narrow down your results and return the exact results you're looking for. Google is a super effective tool to conduct your literature search when done properly. However, most people don't know how to use Google effectively for research. If you take this course, you will have the edge and learn the secrets of a successful search in Google and Google Scholar to ace your research and achieve academic success with minimal effort. Learn with me and you'll be able to access Google's secret advanced search functionality, use Google special command shortcuts such as symbols or words in your search to make your search results more precise and time efficient and give you an unfair advantage, as most people don't know about them. You will also discover the very best alternative search engines to Google that will complement your academic research, uncover the secrets of getting access to research hidden behind a paywall, and learn how to customize Google Scholar to your exact requirements. There are no requirements to join the course. We only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look through the course description and we look forward to seeing you inside. So what are you waiting for? Get instant access to this course and start your journey to improve your research and save yourself time. Enroll today and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.